Hello friends, good morning everyone. Jai Bhim. Friends, today in my home, today special going on. What is the special? I will show and I will say about the special friends. Really today I am very happy. Why? Because friends, since the 11 years I waited the thousands of eyes. Why for means the ration card, the civil supply, the government food supply ration card. Friends, the previous government hadn't give the chance for the apply the ration card. Every new couple they waited with the thousands of eyes for the ration card, but this government given the chance and everyone get the new ration card. We are also get the ration card uh, from the government of Telangana. I am really happy and I am giving the thank to this government. Friends, right now yesterday I get the ration card and I bought the ration from the ration shop, which is the government civil government supplying the ration. Friends, right now we are made and we are right now having that rice. How is the taste? How is the taste? What is the taste
of the ration
the ration government ration rice, which is the government supplying the ration? See friends, very well cooked this rice. See friends, smell also very well smell coming this one. Friends, once we taste and we say about the rice. Since 11 years we hadn't taste and we hadn't have the ration rice. Right now we are having. That is why I am sharing the my what is the my experience about the ration rice. This is friends. Once we are have data and see friends, this ration rice, with the ration rice we are having this curries. See friends, this is the pulp paste and this is the kogu chutney and this is chicken curry and papads. See friends, we are right now very very happy and we are enjoying with this diet. Smell very well. Yes. You taste and you say about the rice, mummy. This is the first time we are having this rice, ration rice. Say, mummy, taste and say what is the
very heat, friends. Chicken.
Very heat. First you taste. Okay.
This is gogura.
Gogu. First you eat with the chicken. Okay. You also. Friends, right now I am having.
This is a domestic bird, man, not a bridal
This is a domestic
bird.
bird. This curry.
Very tasty.
How is mommy?
Super.
Rice?
You eat rice, mummy. Some rice. Chicken not. This is the ration rice. We are first time having ration rice, which is the government supplying. The Telangana government. Really.
Okay, you also.
See friends, rice very good. Taste also very well.
How is mommy?
Very well.
everyone
Show mummy. What? You have the
So
with,
who have the
with piece.
ration,
Give that to me.
who have the ration card should be utilize the your opportunity and should be have the ration rice. You know, this government providing the good rice. You know very well.
What mummy?
No.
How is that mummy? Like in our previous rice, which was you had in the last few days.
So good. Tasty.
You say loudly.
Tasty.
How is the rice? Good.
Like Samasuri.
Yes.
Like
Samas rice.
Samsuri.
Small rice.
Small rice. This also very small rice now. Like which is our home rice. See, that is why everyone, you know, everyone get the this given the ration card, this government. Very happy and you know everyone get the rice. Everyone have the rice, which is the government supplying rice.
This is
Once
very
again,
tasty.
I thank to this
This
government
is
of
very
Telangana.
tasty.
Okay, you have it, madam. You are not have single one. Why
I am-
are you?
I am
Why
saying-
are you saying without the having?
Okay, you also taste once, sir. 1 minute.
Let the last card.
You also taste it, na? No problem. How is experience?
You taste.
Okay, I taste. I have.
First you have
Good. Eat, mommy.
very tasty.
Really?
This scheme, how many members are covered in the entire Telangana? You mean 3 crores of people are covered by this
Covered.
scheme, madam.
Yes.
Each for 6 kgs. How many kgs you have?
Each
you,
for
you-
6 kgs, I have the 75 kgs of rice.
How many members?
4 members. We are 4 members.
4 members
Yeah.
per.
4 members per we bought the 75 kgs rice.
You show your card. See.
See, this is. See, friends.
Kala's name is
Already we posted the card on the Facebook. That one. See, friends.
Kala name is my name is
You know, since the previous government, since 11 years, the government hadn't give the single application for the apply the ration
Single
card.
notification for
Notification for the apply the ration card. You know, this government given and everyone, new couples and who are the
30 lakhs of new members are
Suman.
got this opportunity. madam. 30 lakhs entire
lakhs.
all over the Telangana. This government given the new entering and new applications.
Yes.
Enter 3 lakhs. You mean how many members are last entire 11 years of tenure of Telangana government, madam? What is the use of such type of governments? Should be government provide the food, shelter, education and health and any additional.
especially food and health and education.
Right now
Important.
government giving the great scheme that Mahalakshmi, the approximately right now in 7 crores of women are utilized
Utilizing.
commuters
Yes.
especially
See, this one.
have. No, okay, no problem. Really we are appreciating the
This
government.
government of Telangana. Really, we are appreciating heartfully. We
this
are
rice be like a which was the Samasuri rice,
Samus
such type of.
yes.
You know, in the last 10 years, you mean since the in independence we got the freedom, but no, in the all over the India, no one not distributed, supplied the such type of rice, madam.
Yes.
You see, it's a very great innovative and inspirable scheme and supply of this one. That's why you give the sub appreciation to them.
Appreciate. Yes.
We will be moved. You say.
Really, thank to government of Telangana. Very good rice they are supplying and providing to who are the poor people. We hadn't get the good rice. They are also
Actually, poor peoples who unable to buy, madam. You mean weak one who are the below poverty, who are the very poorest of the poor. They hadn't rice, madam. Just in the previous government or which was the governments are supplied that are large scale of rice.
Yes.
Those rice are very uneasy to buy, eat, madam. But government only phenomenally formerly they are supplied. But this government challengingly took that this is the scheme.
Yes.
Really this government took the challengingly for the supplying the rice to the poor people.
Yes.
You
Good
mean
rice.
this is the good rice for the
And
poor people.
Small rice.
Right now in the who are the richest people, who are the higher caste fellows also right
yeah.
now they are having this one.
Yes.
The which is the small rice, you may know Samas, right? It is one of the so much of far to the poor people. They are dreamed to themselves only.
And
right now their dreams also realized by this government.
And the previous rice also, that rice give us some smell also.
Smell, you mean phosphorus,
Some food,
such type
yes.
of which is a stored one, phosphate, they are preserved for there. But right now in the 1 month before they are collecting encroached the paddy from that where the IKP center directly they are supplying to civil supply. There is no storage.
Yes.
Immediately they are supplying.
Supplying. That is why this is the very good and
Well one.
well one. And this previous that one is they were supplied the large scale rice. That one means
Large sized scale means that is a
okay, sorry, large size.
large size, large quantity.
Yes. Okay.
There is no quality. But right now is a small quantity, high quality.
Yes.
Quantity is a small, but quantity is a high.
Size small and
Quantity is a high. The first time you are experiencing
Yes,
since the
first time.
11 years from the government of Telangana. What mommy you say? Are you enjoying this rice? What is your experience? Very tastiest, na? What mommy you also say? You thank to government, you say. Thank you to Telangana government.
Thank you to Telangana government
To provide
for
giving the
provide the
small rice to the poor
small
people.
rice and
Quality rice
quality rice
for all
for all. Thank you government
of Telangana.
of Telangana.
And you also say now we will move.
Once again, thank to government of Telangana to supplying the small rice and quality rice. Thank you.